Hey everyone! So in this video, I'll be doing my 20th micro needling using this tool, which is the Banisher 2.0. So this is a derma stamp tool which is very effective. So first, I'll be disinfecting it using 70% alcohol. And then I will just leave it for 5 minutes and then let it air dry for 2 minutes before using it. So while we are waiting, let me just show my skin first. So this is how my skin looks from my first TCA chemical peel using 50% solution. So as you can see, the hyperpigmentation is more lighter now, which I am very happy. Alright, so to begin with the procedure, I will exfoliate my skin first using the pumpkin enzyme mask. And let me just apply it all over my skin or my face, and I will show you the benefits of this product. Alright, so here I am starting with the procedure, and I will also show you the information or the details about this product and the reasons why you should also try it. Alright, so those are the information about the Banisher 2.0 micro stamping tool. But if you have any questions, just feel free to leave a comment in the comment section and I will try to answer it, okay? And if you want to also try the Banisher 2.0 and the Banish products, you may just visit their website www.banish.com, and you may use my discount code MARS to get $5 off for orders $50 above. And I will also put the details on the description box of this video for your reference. Alright, so going back in the video, so I am done with the procedure and I will now put my Aftercare products also from Banish. So I am using the Banish serum. This is a vitamin C and E. So this is a dark spot corrector. This is good for hyperpigmentation, and also this is the best combo after using the Banisher 2.0 for acne scars treatment. And then next, I will also use the Banish vitamin C cream. So this is a brightening moisturizer also with vitamin C, aloe vera, vitamin E, and rosehip oil. So these two products are the best combo after your microneedling treatment because it will boost the collagen production on our skin and also for faster wound healing, which will make a better improvement on our acne scars. Alright, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Thank you. Mwah.